Today we are making a butter pecan chocolate ice cream with protein, superfood, and silk almond milk, and cinnamon, and banana smoothie milkshake thingy.
Let's do it.
Okay, I already put the bananas in because, well, I didn't know we were gonna record. But,
Bananas are a good source of
potassium.
Yes.
350 milligrams.
Okay.
Okay,
Here's your spoon.
then you need to get a spoon. A good spoon. A clean spoon.
Good point.
And then, because you don't want to get a spoon out of the dumpster, then you just open these bad boys or girls.
So what are those?
This is the chocolate mousse
Gelato.
from Talenti. It's organic too, so there's no nonsense in here. It's just good flavor. These are actually some of our favorites. Like gelato is our pretty much favorite thing.
Besides Magnum. Yeah.
If you don't know what Magnum is, there's like these bars with vanilla ice cream in it, but like the shell and the ice cream just have that flavor that we just really like.
High quality, not too sugary.
I know. Like,
All right.
and if you get the minis, like they're the perfect size for a serving. So anyway, now that we got that done, we are now going to put the superfood in. It will come, most of the time will come in there and stuff like this, and then like, we'll just lift it. You'll put some in.
Is that a liquid, a solid? What is that?
It's a powder.
Mm-hmm. And what vegetables
Which is a solid.
does it have in it? Do you remember?
No.
All right, let's see.
I'm sorry, guys. This one's it. Okay. Ow, what, okay.
Here it is. Vegetable blend.
Organic banana, organic beet, organic carrot, organic goji, okay? Organic pineapple, organic sweet potato, organic raspberry,
Yes.
organic rose hips. I haven't eaten a rose before. Are there thorns in here? No? Okay, okay. You just put it in. As so. It's not that complicated. Anyway, now we put in the silk almond milk.
I would say
It
put
rhymes.
about a cup in there.
A cup's about
Yeah.
You can measure it if you want. It's 9:10. We're tired. Yeah, and about up to there.
That's good.
I put two. No, that's good.
Actually,
That's
the ingredients are in there, so it's probably a little displaced.
good. No, wait, that's fine. Never mind.
All
I
right.
forgot how thin this thing is.
And what else do we have?
And last but not least, cinammon. You got these little things, and they're on this magnet board. I don't think you can see. Let me just. I can't see those things right there. They have seasonings in them.
Alright, it's open, so be careful.
Yeah, we already opened it. Some got on the table.
Alright, we'll
Just
clean up
sprink-
later.
Just like tiny sprinkles, though, so I guess it's not that bad. And you just sprinkle some in, however much you want.
Smells great.
And then I think that would be good. Now we just close it, stick it back on the board that you, again, can't see. Unless you have like supervision that you can see through the side of the camera. Do you? I don't think most of you do it. Anyway, so I press power, right?
And then single serve.
Okay, so you press power
No, you had it on. Yes.
to make it on, and it will be blinking if you have Ninja like we do.
Let's see. You gotta lock it.
Oh,
Yeah, now
mo-
it came on.
Most of the people know how to actually use their mixer or whatever, the blender. Then you press single serve. 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Check the
I think we got everything, and we didn't need to get
Ooh,
that.
there's a little chocolate in there.
It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready.
Show the peeps.
It's ready.
Ooh, what do you smell?
Because I smell chocolate, pecans, and cinnamon, and bananas. And the powder
How's it
doesn't really
taste?
have a. I don't know.
Do it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. What does it need?
Nothing. It's really good.
Done.
I think it would be better if we had more butter pecan.
Yeah, but we're out of ice cream.
Somebody, us two, ate it, most of it.
Well, you know, last week was,
Yeah.
PMS. Alrighty. What are we going to do with these banana peels? What's a tip?
Bury them in our garden.
Bury them in the soil.
Good fertilizer. And I know I have like a chocolate banana mustache right now. This is
All right,
awkward
sign
silence.
off.
Okay. Bye-bye. Goodbye. And le